Hopefully I can get back down through here without running into a bear going down. Slightly concerned about the big roar I've been hearing. Boy, we greened right up now. Last time I was here, it was barren. The trees were. A lot of traffic out here today. Well, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is April the 20-something other. Let's figure out what today is. 12th. 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. Okay. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today is April the 16th of 2026. It is 66 degrees out here right now, 10 o'clock. I am on Highway 23, just, I guess it would be east of Duffield, Virginia. Basically in Jasper, Virginia. Headed towards the Big Stone Gap area. No defined plan as of yet as to where I'm headed. Just riding. This is the north side of the mountain. It's a little shaded. 66 degrees, but it's a little cool through here. Speed limit 60 mile an hour. Coming into the Big Stone Gap area here now. Have Mountain Empire Community College over on the left. Go around this Pie Valley loop down here. Comes out up at the top of the mountain near the Pie Valley Overlook. Don't go through here too often. Pretty good little trip through here. Scenic. Road 610, it says. This is the old road before they put in the bypass. Highway 23, the 4-lane. There's a few twisted curves up here. You start climbing up the mountain. Catch a glimpse every now and again of the 4-lane off on the left. All that firewood up there. If that guy sells firewood or what, but he's always got a plenty of it. Got old Econo line over there. Guess that's what that was. what that is. I don't know if that's a house or a business. Like a golf course. Country Club Road. Whoever painted that yellow line down through there must have been drunk. Way out yonder's the 4-lane up on the hillside. That's the bridge that they had the Europeans come over and build. That was back in the late 80s, I guess. Now Valley Memorial, that's a pretty cemetery, as cemeteries go for being pretty. I don't know if that's a slide coming down that mountain up there, or if that's a like a power line that they've, I don't see any power lines. It must have been a slide. Deer. A quarry over on the right, Vulcan. Much back out on the 4-lane here in just a second. Would go up to the high knob, but I'm not sure that's a paved road. Maybe we'll go take a look at it. Just for the fun of it. I've been up there once. I was in a vehicle though. High knob. High Knob Destination Center. Last time I was here, this big building wasn't here. Flag Rock, High Knob. Flag Rock. I don't know if this road's recommended for Goldwings or not. Not been up here enough to know what to expect out of this road. This is near Norton, Virginia. A spot that every time it comes a little snow, you'll see a lot of pictures on the internet. People been up here just to see how much snow was up here. It's usually get snow up here when nowhere down low does. This right here's some more curve. They had people going off this edge right here a time or two. Got some concrete barriers up. Another horseshoe or a tight S. In the road. Flag Rock Recreation Area. Begin state maintenance. Wonder who had control of it up to this point. County? Maybe? I don't know. Trees down up here. I'd say it gets pretty windy. Jefferson National Forest. I guess that's why the road is state maintained. This part of it anyway. Well, the state's not doing that great of a job at maintaining. Road's getting a little more sketchy all the time. have to pay attention to that coming back out of here. There's a lot of gravel right there. Tower goes up this way. I'm not sure what that is on out through there. Tower, how in the world? There it is. The observation tower. Okay, I'm at the High Knob observation tower. Hopefully we can get up there without running into any snakes or bears. Apparently they don't want people walking up that little trail right there. George Washington and Jefferson National Forest. This observation tower, let's see if it tells how high up this thing is. I'm sure it does somewhere. Looks like 4,223 feet. I believe that's what that's saying. Right here it's saying 4,190. Did have this big tower here, and some arsonists burn it. So they've rebuilt it pretty much out of stone. All right, let's walk up here. This is slightly dangerous. May run into a bear at any time. This is a behind look. Last time I was up here, it was seemed like it's in winter time. They shouldn't have made this walk around so far around through here. No line of sight. I didn't even bring my stinking phone. We're going to have a problem with the wind up here. There's some kind of strip area. I'm hearing some very big roars down there somewhere. Some kind of road out through there. And there is the Lynch radar tower. Plenty of satellites out there. What's inside that thing? Got vents in it. Well, I guess I'll get on back out of here. Hopefully I can get on back down. Hopefully I can get back down through here without running into a bear going down. Slightly concerned about the big roar I've been hearing, but that may not even be an animal. That might be something mechanical. One of these businesses around here. When I first come up to here, I saw that stump right down there. I was thinking that was a bear. Got the old heart racing a little bit. Shot of the tower up there on our right. Yeah, that noise is something scraping against metal. Alrighty, this is the Chief Benji's Scout Trail. Probably ain't how you say Benji's. Trail right down through there. Okay, got the old winger looking pretty good. Well, let's get on down the road.